Your book cover is the first impression that your readers have. If it looks amateur, they'll never click. But here's the good news. You don't need Photoshop, expensive designers, or huge budgets. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create professional cinematic book covers for free using AI, Canva, and even Amazon's own tools. By the end, you'll know how to make covers that look like they belong on the bestsellers list. So part 1, why covers matter. Covers aren't just decoration. They're marketing tools. A strong cover can double your click-through rate on Amazon. A weak cover can bury even the best written book. So today, we'll go through 3 free methods. Number 1, using AI tools like ChatGPT to generate cinematic cover concepts. Number 2, rebuilding those concepts and designing new ones in Canva with free assets. And finally, number 3, using Amazon's free cover creator tool to design concepts and finalize adjustments. And yes, I'll demonstrate each one on screen so you can follow along. Part 2, generating cover concepts with AI. Alright, let's dive into the fun part. Creating cinematic book covers with AI. Now here's the exact prompt that I use, word for word. Now can you give me an amazing high quality book cover for this topic that is eye-catching, vivid, clickable, and cinematic? It should look as professional and amazing as a Netflix movie cover. Now let's break this down for a second because every word here matters. High quality tells the AI we're not looking for sketches or quick drafts. We want detail. Eye-catching ensures bold colors and striking contrasts. Vivid pushes the art toward bright, dynamic imagery instead of flat tones. Cinematic cues the AI to give us drama, depth, and lighting like a movie poster. And Netflix movie cover is the secret sauce. It sets the expectation for polish, style, and professionalism. That's why these covers pop compared to basic clip art designs. So let's run the prompt with our first topic, focus. Look at this. Within seconds, we have a design that looks like it belongs on the front page of Amazon. Notice the lighting, the bold font, the way the background feels cinematic instead of generic. Now, let's switch the topic to productivity. See how the theme shifts? Same cinematic style, but the imagery is different. Gears, light bulbs, motion. Just by changing one word, you get a completely different concept, but still at professional quality. And now finally, let's try detox. Now the AI gives us vibrant, natural imagery, clean typography, and a sense of energy that matches the detox theme. Again, no extra effort on our part, just reusing the same polished prompt. What you just saw is the real power of AI prompts. By refining a single prompt, you could generate multiple high-quality concepts in minutes. Next, I'll rebuild one of these concepts, such as the focus cover, inside Canva using only free tools. So even if you don't import AI images, you can still create professional covers. Now part 3, building covers in Canva. Let's create a cover concept from scratch in Canva using free assets. Step 1, Canva's setup. I'll create a new design with custom size, 1600 by 2560 pixels, which is perfect for Kindle. Now step 2, the background. In the sidebar, I'll go to photos or elements. I'll search for cinematic gradient or dark abstract and choose a free backdrop. If it doesn't fill the space, right click, set image as background. Now step 3, cinematic framing. To add depth, I'll drop in a vignette. I can search vignette in elements or just place a black rectangle. Stretch it over the whole page and lower transparency to about 25%. Instantly, the background feels more like a movie poster. And now step 4, title typography. Now let's add the title, the focus formula. For a cinematic vibe, fonts like Bebas Nu or Montserrat Extra Bold work great. I'll also tighten the line height and add a little letter spacing to give it breathing room. Step 5, subtitle and author. I'll add a subtitle in Montserrat medium and author name in regular weight. This keeps hierarchy clean. Big title, medium subtitle, and smaller author name. Step 6, accent element. I'll search glow or light streak in free elements. Dropping one behind the title at partial opacity gives a subtle cinematic flair. And now finally, step 7, quick variations. Now here's the time saver. I'll duplicate the page. On version 2, I'll swap the background. And on version 3, I'll try a different font and invert the color scheme. If you have Canva Pro, you'll unlock extras like background remover and unlimited AI art credits. But as you can see, the free version already gets you cinematic publish ready covers. Now part 4, Amazon KDP Cover Creator. Here's a hidden gem. Amazon has a free cover creator built right into KDP. When you upload a manuscript, KDP automatically offers cover templates. You can upload your Canva design or let them generate a basic one for you. It's not as flexible, but it ensures perfect alignment for paperbacks and hardcovers, spine width, trim size, and bleed. Now the smart move, use Canva for design, then drop that design into KDP's cover creator so every version, Kindle, paperback, hardcover, stay consistent. And as you can see, within moments on Amazon's free cover creator tool, you're able to make a clean professional design that works perfect as your book cover. Now, if you don't have any other paid options, this is an amazing free option. Now let's recap. Using AI prompts to brainstorm cinematic cover concepts, rebuild and test variations in Canva for free, and finalize formatting with KDP's cover creator tool for both paperback and hardcover. With these free tools, you can generate covers that look like they cost you hundreds of dollars to create, and they'll actually help your book sell. And here's the best part. Inside my full course, I break down this process step by step, not just for covers, but for writing, publishing, and marketing books with AI. If you want my complete publishing system, the link is below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.